Joan Jett doesn't give a damn about her reputation. So much so that in her song from 2 decades ago, she said she didn't give a damn about 15 times. Okay, so maybe Joan does give a damn about her reputation. Do you care about yours? Now, I'm not talking about your reputation with your friends and your family. I'm not even talking about your reputation with customers. I'm talking about an internal reputation. I was talking with a new sales rep recently, and I love talking to new reps because all of this information comes pouring out of me, things that I never would have thought of to say. And you kind of can't say it to somebody who's been selling a while because it won't mean as much. But I said, just know that you are going to have an internal reputation. This particular gentleman was the son of the owner. I said, that's going to make it harder for you. But either way, you have to understand that it matters how you treat people. It matters that you care. It matters that you come to things with humility and appreciation, with curiosity. Now, it's almost not fair because as salespeople, in order to be successful, we have to have a shield. We have to have an aura, and that is one of confidence, that borderlines cockiness. It's like a coat that we wear. It's a bravado. It's the essence of success really comes from that arrogance, but not quite being arrogant. It's walking right up to that line. But this is a coat that you have to remove when you get in the plant. You might think to yourself, and you might sell with the attitude, there's nobody better than me. I'm all that in a bag of chips. But you have got to take that coat off when you walk in the door because it matters how production, how bindery, how the customer service people feel about you, and that is within your control. So if you're hearing this and you're thinking, that's not a problem, you might want to double check. Don't like assumptions. Not a big fan of assumptions. So if you're thinking to yourself, nobody loves me here, double check on that. If you are concerned about your reputation, then sit down with someone and say, tell me what I need to do to change. Tell me what I need to do to make your job easier. And then do it. And then go back and ask again. Let people know that you are serious about it. It's not going to take 15 times, but you should give a damn about your reputation. Go have a great selling week.